New tonight, an $80 million investment is being made in North St. Louis.
But more importantly, it's bringing opportunity. The project will provide a new medical school near Jefferson and Cass, near the future NGA headquarters. News 4's Alexis Zotos is learning the new details. Alexis, the goal here is to diversify the medical workforce.
That's right. That is what they're telling us tonight about this $80 million medical school campus that'll be brought here just behind me to the former Pruitt-Igoe site. Now, this is a spot that has had a lot of promises made for its future, but this one is being fast-tracked with the hope of medical school students starting in just 2 years. Ponce Health Sciences University opened in Puerto Rico in the 1970s, and now they will build a $80 million campus in North St. Louis.
I actually have been asked by 10+ cities to build this in their cities.
President and CEO of the for-profit medical school, Dr. David Lanahan, says St. Louis's location in the Midwest and the opportunity to create more than just a medical campus drew them to Jefferson Cass, the future home of the school.
We want to make St. Louis the capital, kind of that hub for how you develop cultural competency in healthcare training, because we also know that students who go to school in areas tend to stay in those areas and practice.
They already have a campus in downtown which offers several degrees, but the new campus will allow for 1,200 students, and they're seeking out students to help diversify the medical field.
What we really focus on is how to create opportunities for students that have been overlooked.
The school will be built on the land owned by developer Paul McKee, right across from the NGA site. McKee has long planned to build a hospital there.
It's part of Paul's land, but we're not part of that. So I'm an independent unit. Our medical school is not dependent on anything else happening. We're building it on that land.
While McKee's project has sat stagnant for years, the medical school has a fast timeline. Construction is set to start at the end of this year for the first students who are expected to walk through those doors in fall of 2022.
When you build a school in a community like this, what are the kids going to see from K through 12? They're going to see people that look like them walking around in white coats becoming doctors. That gives those students a belief that they can do it.
I spoke with Alderwoman Tamika Hubbard, who represents this neighborhood. She says this has been a project that has been in the works for several years, and she really does believe that it has the ability to change this neighborhood for the better. Reporting live, Alexis Zotos, News 4.